The CPU must be connected to the programming device via Ethernet before starting this process. Open the TIA Portal project and change to Project View from the home screen. In Project View, expand the Online Access menu item. Select the communication protocol and adapter currently connected to the device or network. Expand the selection by clicking the drop-down arrow. Then double-click the Accessible Devices selection. All accessible devices on the Ethernet network are displayed with their IP or MAC address listed. Expand the CPU listing by clicking the down arrow and double-click Online and Diagnostics under the CPU listing. The online view of the device opens. If desired, collapse the Online Tools menus to expand the working screen. Note the information provided from the online connection with the device. The firmware version can be particularly helpful if you configure the CPU offline. Expand the Online Functions listing and click Assign IP address from the menu. Edit the IP address to match network requirements. Click the Assign IP address button. Now double-click Update Accessible Devices from the project tree. And note the IP address is now changed.